So about the worst time you can work on bees is in the rain, but the forecast changed and now Hurricane Ian is going to be, or the remnants of it are going to be dumping rain on us for the next 4 days, and our little microswarm needs to be fed. They have no natural resources of their own, so about to do exactly what nobody should do. So we have a little break in the downpours. So we're going to sneak in here. Well, hopefully these guys are clustered and not going to be too fussy. Well, hopefully they're still alive and still in here. Let's put it that way. But just not what you want to have to do. I do see bees in there. That's good. Just stay where you are. Ignore that guy in the white suit. Well, he puts sugar water into your hive. It doesn't surprise me that the pollen patty is not touched because there's not really any brood yet. But there you go. If you want to be gentle enough, you can probably open a hive on a rainy day. I'm happy that there are bees in there. And they seem to be fairly clustered, and it was nice to get this in here because they're going to go a few more days without any type of external feed due to the rainstorm. So do what you have to do. All right. So we're going to take a look at this hive. Give me a fast look. This is the one hive we didn't take a peek at last time we were out. So we just want to see what's going on here for strength and weight. And make sure we got good brood. We have good bee bread, good honey, bees that seem reasonably calm. You see some brood. Looks like we have a pretty good population here. More brood. What the heck do we have there? A yellow, one of those big, huge yellow jackets buzzing around here. Got larva, got brood. I think we're in pretty good shape here. And we have a little spilled honey along here. So they're eating the honey. So the problem here is we have a gathering of bees here where there's a little honey on the edge. I want to try to chase these guys away from doing what they instinctively want to do, which is to pick up the honey. because they're right on the edge here. I'm trying to tell them to go away, and they don't want to go away. Well, but they have to. Good stores. Good brood. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, nothing but rain. It's a worst case scenario for our tiny little hive out there. And quite honestly, it's not too good for the rest of the bees either, because the goldenrod is going to time out, and some of the other fall flora that we have out, they don't have access to while it rains. So what can you do? Mother Nature rules. Until next week, from Buzz Park.